Hey everyone, let's be real. If you're here, your USB drive's a total mess right now, right? Who hasn't had that heart-stopping moment? Grabbing your work USB to pull up a presentation, then realizing you deleted the wrong folder, or hitting format thinking it's an empty drive, then freezing when you remember your important docs are on it. Last month, I lost my entire set of meeting notes in my USB, rummaged through every folder in my laptop, even checked my email drafts, and was this close to tearing my hair out. Did I just lose hours of work panic? I so get it. But hey, no need to stress. Today, we're fixing USB data recovery with PandaOffice Drecov, accidental deletions, formatting masses, even corrupted drives. This works, and the steps are dead simple. Step 1. Why USB data disappears? Avoid these mistakes. Let's start with common reasons for data loss. Knowing these helps you avoid them. First, human error. Deleting the wrong file, emptying the recycle bin, or accidentally formatting the wrong drive. I'm so guilty of that. Second, USB issues. Frequent plug-in, unplug-in, drops, or water damage can harm ports or chips. Overfiling the drive can also make the files vanish unexpectedly. Third, compatibility problems. Switching between systems like Windows and Mac sometimes corrupts files. Key reminder, most data is just marked for overwriting. It's recoverable until new files replace it. So, golden rule, as soon as you notice data loss, unplug the USB and stop saving to it. Otherwise, recovery chances plummet. Remember this. Step 2. Try zero-cost fixes first. Recycle bin, disk check. Let's start with the fixes that cost nothing. No software, no downloads, just a minute of your time. If you deleted files from the USB and it was plugged to your Windows PC, and you didn't hold down Shift while deleting, those files are probably in your recycle bin. All you gotta do is open the recycle bin, type the file name into the search bar, like my meeting notes files, and when it pops up, right-click and hit restore. Done. Takes 30 seconds, tops. But what if the recycle bin's empty? Or your PC pops up that annoying "this USB drive needs to be formatted" message? Try Windows built-in disk check. Just right-click the USB drive icon, go to Properties, then Tools, then click Check. Windows will scan for little errors like a messed up file system and fix them. If that still doesn't work, no biggie. That's when we bring in our secret weapon, PandaOffice Drecov. Step 3. Ultimate solution. PandaOffice Drecov walkthrough. I've used PandaOffice Drecov more times than I can imagine, and it's never let me down. Total lifesaver for USB recovery. Here's what you need: your wonky USB, a Windows PC, and the Drecov software. You can download this from their official websites. I'll drop the link in the comments. And they even have a free trial, so you can scan your USB first to see if your files are there before you buy. No risk, no commitments. First step, open the software and you'll see a list of drives on your PC. Find your USB, mine's labeled G, and click it. Make sure you pick the right one. You don't want to scan your laptop's hard drive by mistake. Let's start with quick scan first. Once the scan's done, you'll see all your recoverable files sorted by type, photos, docs, videos, so it's easy to find what you need. And here's the best part, you can preview files before recovering them. No more wasting time restoring stuff you don't want. Just click a file, check if it's the one, and go from there. When you've picked the files you need, click Recover. Now, super important, save them to your computer's hard drive, like your D drive or Documents folder. Never save them back to the USB. If you save to the USB, you'll overwrite the data you just found. I always make a recovered USB files folder on my D drive. It's easy to find later. And that's it! Your files are back, docs, photos, videos, whatever you lost. If Quick Scan didn't find everything, just run a deep scan. It'll track down the tricky ones. It's honestly that simple. Step 4. Troubleshooting. Unreadable USB damage warnings. Let's cover the tricky stuff. What if your USB is being extra stubborn? First, USB not showing on your PC at all. Try plugging it into a different USB port. Sometimes the port's just loose. Or try it in another computer. My old USB stopped working on my laptop, but I plugged it into my mom's PC and it worked. I even saved the USB once with a Type-C adapter. Turns out the problem was just the port, not the drive. Second, your PC says drive damaged, but the USB isn't making weird noises or feeling hot. Run Drekov's Deep Scan. It's made for this, finds hidden, corrupted files that Quick Scan misses. Third, if your USB is hot to the touch, making clicking noises, or even crashing your PC when you plug it in, stop using it right now. That's physical damage, like a fried chip, and messing with it more will only make it worse. Take it to a professional repair shop. They have the tools to fix it in a dust-free space, and they can use Drecov to get your data back. It costs a little, but it's worth it to save your important files. Let's wrap this up with a quick recap so you don't forget. First, if you lose USB data, unplug the drive immediately and don't save anything new to it. 2. Try the free fixes first. Check the recycle bin, then run the Windows disk check. For tough cases, like formatted drives, corrupted files, use PandaOffice Drecov and save recovered files to your PC, not the USB. And fourth, if the USB is hot or noisy, take it to a pro. If you've used this method to get your USB data back, or if you have your own USB hacks, share them in the comments. I love hearing how you guys fix this stuff. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone. Here's to your USB staying reliable, your data staying safe, and no more panic attack over lost files. See you next time. Bye for now.